off the ground. I'm hearing what you say, but I just can't make a sound. You tell me that you need me, then you go and cut me down. Wait, you tell me that you're sorry, didn't think I'd turn around. And I say, and it's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. Take another chance, take a fall, take a shot for you. I need you like your heart needs a beat, but it's nothing new. I love you with a fire red, now it's turning blue. And you say, sorry like the angel heaven let me think was you. But I'm afraid it's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. Yeah. It's too late. It's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late. It's too late. Yeah, yeah. Cut my 10 feet off the ground.